Naka-video na kayo yan. Na kayo.
Million pesos. Fully furnished property and the title. So, that's what but before that, guys.
Bakit dyan sa likod? Hindi ka naman makalapit. Mira yan na Mira.
Alright, so you have your driveway.
Oh, kailangan talaga ilapit. Mira, labanan mo si Juan.
So you have your garden over
Dali.
here. So this is the area. So you have a lot of fruit trees.
Dali, maglaban na kayo. Naantay namin kayo sa video.
Garden.
Oh, isa ka pa.
Property is
Oh,
closer.
diyan ka dumadaan. Doon ka sa kabila, oh, doon other side. Dali. Alam ko kunin